First prepare a wrench, a screwdriver and a PTFE thread seal tape. Then find out the interface position of the inlet and outlet. We need to wrap some PTFE thread seal tape at the water inlet interface in advance to make it better sealed after tighten. Make the water inlet pipe connected to the water inlet of the tub. Tighten the screws. In order to tighten with a wrench. After the water inlet pipe fixed, tighten the screws with a wrench until it is completely sealed. The water inlet pipe access is completed. Next, we start to access the drainage pipe. First, connect the drainage pipe to the drain of the tub. After connecting, cover the movable cover plate. Use a screwdriver to lock the live knot on the drain pipe to be waterproof. So it is done. iParnassus Holiday Spa. Enjoy a far romantic at home.